everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be drawing a couple winners. The first one is for this eyeliner and stamp. It was in my Ice Cream Beauty, my April Ice Cream Beauty box, and it does have a stamp to it too, I believe. I don't have my glasses on, but let me make sure, because I did advertise it as being an eyeliner and a stamp. I want to make sure I got the right one. Mirabella, it has a winged line. Yes, it's a winged liner and stamp kit. So right here. Okay, so if you noticed, I did not put a word in my video of the word to use for the giveaway, but I did put it in my description box. So the secret word to use in a sentence was eyeliner. So I went through my comments and I saw a lot of you did use the word eyeliner. I'm hoping it's because you're entering the giveaway and not just saying, oh, what an interesting eyeliner, because, you know, it was just a product in my box. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw a winner. If in fact you did not want to win this, just let me know and I'll draw another name. All right. So your names are in the Grove Collaborative bucket. Let me go ahead, and I do not have my daughter here right now to pull a name. So I'm just going to put it up above my head and with an empty hand, reach up, and I'm going to pull the name. And here is who I pulled. Andrea, Arkansas Gals. Andrea, and you can kind of see Arkansas Gals. So, Andrea, you have 48 hours to get a hold of me. So today is, gosh, what day is today? Wednesday. So I'll give you until, well, let's just say Saturday morning. I mean, because I probably won't get to the post office till Monday anyway. So here it is, by the way. So if you get back to me soon, I'll be able to get this out sooner. But if not, I'll get it out on Monday. All right. So that is for the first giveaway. I'll be right back for the second one. So anyway, let me go ahead and select the other winner for a different giveaway that I had. So this one was for this little like zebra print card holder. Also had some stickers in here, and then also had this hand sanitizer thing for your purse or bag. Probably everybody has one of these. They'd probably be good for, you know, putting on your kids' backpacks or grandkids or whatever. And I had this in my Mint Mongoose t-shirt sale, just a hidden giveaway, just out of the blue. So if you guys want to get in on any of my giveaways, you gotta watch my videos. By the way, Andrea does that too on Arkansas Gals. You gotta watch her videos. And she does those hidden giveaways. I think she calls them now sneaky peeks or sneaky peeks. I think it's Pete's, like with a T, but I could be wrong. But she does do those giveaways too as well. I can't say enough good things about Andrea. Let's see who won this giveaway, and then I'll probably be able to say good things about this person too, especially if they have a channel. I'm not sure. It's not all of them, all the people that win my giveaways have a channel. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Again, Nicole is not here, so I'm gonna put my Grove Collaborative bucket above my head. And let's see who wins. I wish little Brooklyn can pick a name. She's right here next to me. So let's see who it is. It is Deb Riker. I believe that's how you say your last name. I could be wrong, Deb. It could be Deb Richter, but I think it's Riker. I'm a substitute teacher and I see a lot of names when I go through and, you know, do attendance. I think my dogs are about to bark for no particular reason, but I think they see something outside. But I think you say this, Riker. Anyway, if I'm saying it wrong, I apologize, Deb. So you are the winner of this giveaway. So again, you will have the same amount of time Saturday morning to get a hold of me. No specific time, just anytime Saturday morning. These will probably go out, like I said, on Monday, unless I hear back from both of you before Friday. I can get them in the mail. But Thank you so much. And Deb is a loyal subscriber of mine. She watches every video I put out. Thank you, Deb. I appreciate it so, so much. I really and truly do. There's more than one person that watches every single one of my videos. So, you know, like Nancy Nettlebot, I'm probably saying your last name wrong, Nancy, but you watch almost every single one of my videos too. Estelle Zimmerman, you watch all of my videos too. And, you know, just a lot of, I have a lot of regular viewers, and I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. So keep a lookout for more of these giveaways. I will be posting another couple videos today. I don't know if they're going to go up today, but they will have hidden, maybe one of them or both of them may have a hidden giveaway in them. So just keep a lookout for those. I'm also going to be doing a collab. That introduction for the collab went out, I believe it was yesterday. So you should be able to see a little bit about who's involved in that one. You need to make sure you're subscribed to everybody in that collab in order to win my particular giveaway. So for that collab. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much. So Deb Riker or Richter and Andrea from Arkansas Gals, Saturday morning, please get a hold of me. I appreciate it greatly. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great, great day. Bye.